Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with the Truckerized Tuner report for Conagher in Texas on the ending of the RCI 99N4. That's right. They're dwindling away and they will be never more. Very sad considering how good of a radio these are. Excellent receiver. The audio on them is really nice when set up correctly. Plenty of power, of course. Almost zero. Only kind of failures I think I've had, honestly. I've had, I think, 2 faceplates where the backlit went out, and that's 2 out of over 225 right now. That's pretty good odds. Of course, Ranger takes care of that, no problem. So let's just get right to it. Conagher, we got you fixed up. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic capacitor upgrade, wideband transmit and receive, ERF 2030 plus MOSFET upgrade. We got your 10 kilohertz switch back here on the back, and your high cut filter as well. They are labeled. Let's get right to it. 250 watt slug. Right at 25 watts all the way down. That way if you want to run amp, you got full adjustability. 150 all the way up. So your average power swing. Low, at 210 bird. 1000 watt slug and peak. Hello, at 590 PEP. All right, Conagher's ready to come to you, bud. I hope you enjoy. I'm your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.
Oh, one more thing. Forgot to show, I didn't forget, but the spectrum analyzer and oscilloscope, you wanted to see that. Seen that in the notes as I was printing your label. So let's get right over to it. I'll try to pan out here where we can see it all. There it is. You got just some barely little bumps across the spectrum. Not too bad. I'll show you here. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, one audio. Right on the money, my friend. All right, there you go.